Ready to unlock the secrets of business analysis and transform your career? Hi, I'm Tony Aromire, and I'm here to guide you through the maze of mastering business analysis. Imagine having the power to influence decisions, streamline operations, and drive your organizations forward. In this journey, we'll delve into the essential skills of eliciting requirements, process modeling, and wireframing. We'll also look at how we can turn complex challenges into clear, actionable solutions. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, join me as we explore deeper. Join me to uncover advanced strategy. Join me to uncover the tools that will not only elevate your career, but revolutionize the way you view and contribute to business analysis. Don't miss the opportunity to be in the forefront of business analysis mastery. Follow me, like, and hit the subscribe notification bell now. So let's embark on this transformative adventure together and pave the way to your success. Your future starts now. Are you in?